In this video, I will show you how to use lip sync in Higgsfield AI. So the first step is to go here at the top where it says video, and then from here you just have to click on lip sync studio. So once we get here, what we're gonna have to do is simply upload our image, and then what we're gonna have to do is simply enter here. So what should the character say? Or you can simply upload your own audio file. Now here you also can give it a prompt, choose the model, the duration and the resolution, and then click on generate. And as you can see, it's going to cost 13 credits for 5 seconds. Now if you want to increase this, it's going to cost you up to 25. It also depends on what the model you're using. So as you can see, for longer videos you're gonna have to use these ones, and it's gonna cost you more, and also you need the pro version. So basically that's all you have to do. Thanks for watching.